Hello, welcome to Quick Tech series. My name is Vikram Navali from Technical Marketing team at Pulse Secure. Today we are going to look at network access solution for Cisco infrastructure using our Pulse Policy Secure product. So while Pulse Policy Secure offers flexible deployment and greater security across multi-vendor infrastructure, we will discuss today three important NAC solutions for Cisco infrastructure. First one is visibility, second is enforcement, and last but not least, guest access management solution. So let's look at first visibility. PPS supports the native onboard profiler, which make use of different fingerprinting and database authentication techniques in both passive and active methods in order to get contextual data of every endpoint connected to the Cisco network. It could be wide switch or wireless LAN controller. So here, as I said, it makes use of different techniques like DHCP fingerprinting, SNMP, NMAP, CD, Cisco Discovery Protocol, RSPAN, which helps profiler to gather contextual data like what endpoint it is, what device type, what operating system it is in, what is the manufacturer, etc. in order to classify and categorize the devices where administrator will have can overcome a little visibility of endpoints connected to the Cisco network. Second NAC solution is an enforcement, where a set of access control policies will be configured on the Pulse Policy Secure, which are going to apply on endpoints in order to control access and also automatically remediating them. So controlling access in Cisco's infrastructure will be in case of wired, it will be at the switch port level. In case of wireless, it will be at the wireless access point port. So under enforcement, we support different methods again. First one, 802.1x. It is IEEE port based access control, where it makes use of radius return attributes in order to apply policies on endpoints which are connected to the switch or WLC. So again, this is again standard based framework which make use of standard authentication, which where radius will be running on the PPS. Then it applies VLAN assignments on the switch to control endpoints. Second enforcement method is an SNMP method, where it's the simplest and alternative to 802.1x. We support various Cisco models here, 2900 and 3700 switches, where SNMP protocol will be configured. Version 1, version 2, version 3 we support, which are basically works with the Pulse Policy Secure. Pulse Policy Secure provides manual or auto discovery of such SNMP configured Cisco switches, and then applies its policies in order to control endpoints connected to the Cisco's network. Third enforcement method is a MAC-based authentication. It basically it helps to do endpoints basically which are agentless, or what I say is unmanaged devices connected to the Cisco's network. For example, Cisco VoIP phones, where the endpoints will be authenticated based on their MAC address config, MAC address of the device. Last but not least is a guest access management solution. It helps administrator to authenticate guest users or contractors to in a wireless Cisco's wireless network, where endpoints which are connecting to, with guests or or contractors, they can do self registration and then create their own credentials in order to get internet access. So here again, these are the three important NAC solutions that we provide, offer using pulse secure in a Cisco's infrastructure. For more information, please visit www.pulsecure.net. Thank you.